Yeah, here we have a VECTRAX 14-inch by 40-inch bench lathe, 230 volt. It appears to be unused. It does operate. We're going to show you that now. So you just press that button right there. That's your manual turn-on switch. And then you got your forward. And your reverse. Pull up from the lever here. So all the functions operate on here. Check out the tailstock. It all works. Everything on the apron works. Your longitudinal feed, your cross feed. Okay. Now we couldn't get the threading to work or the apron to move via the controls here because there's a gear missing right here. Don't know what happened to it, but it is not there. So we couldn't test all the functions right here for the threading dial. Also the cross slide feed right here, the feed rod, that is missing. Okay. Then there's a small dent in the back here. Okay. It's not a big deal right there. That's on your backsplash. So that includes a backing plate, 4-jaw chuck, toolbox with tools. You got metric change gears over here. I'm going to walk over here. And it also includes a set of stands, 1 and 2, left and right, with the doors. Okay, and also includes the drip pan. And that's mounted on the inside of the box. This will ship in this crate here. Okay, walk back over here. Walk around the machine a little bit. Here's your 2 horsepower motor. And we thank you for looking at our